Karen Reed picked up an important legal victory today. A judge in her civil case agreed to delay some discovery as part of the wrongful death lawsuit she's facing. NBC 10's Eli Rosenberg joins us live in Boston to explain what that means. Eli?
And Corey, tonight we are hearing from John O'Keefe's family reacting to the decision by a judge today in that wrongful death lawsuit they filed against Karen Reed. This as the focus also shifting to right here. This is the Supreme Judicial Court, site of a major hearing scheduled for the middle of next week.
Both warranted.
For Karen Reed, a Friday legal victory as she prepares for a hearing in the Commonwealth's highest court.
This case has so many complex chapters to it.
She can't try to shield it.
The latest chapter, a judge ruling Friday that lawyers representing John O'Keefe's family will have to wait at least 6 months before they sit down for a deposition with Reed. O'Keefe's family and estate filing a wrongful death lawsuit against Reed. Criminal prosecutors in the lawsuit both allege Reed hit O'Keefe with her SUV after a night of drinking in late January 2022. The judge did rule other discovery can continue.
You expect that the plaintiffs will focus on those closest to her and gather the information from her father and brother.
And now, all eyes shift to the Supreme Judicial Court, where justices will hear oral arguments on Wednesday. Reed's lawyers asking them to rule the judge in her first criminal trial shouldn't have declared a mistrial.
If, in fact, the court goes the route that there was no manifest necessity, period, then that would mean there should be no trial on any of the charges and Ms. Reed goes free.
But legal experts say it won't be easy to persuade the SJC justices around this argument, or the ones centered around the jury's reported unanimous not guilty votes on 2 of the 3 charges. Votes that were never discussed in open court.
I think it's a long shot, but they're swinging for the fences anyway, so you might as well ask for the whole thing.
Only a fool predicts what's going to happen in court because court is totally unpredictable. But I would predict that the defendant does not get any relief.
The O'Keefe family out with a statement tonight saying in part, while she makes herself, referring to Karen Reed, endlessly available to anyone who publishes what she says, we must wait months or even years before she'll have to answer our questions under oath. We will watch and read these ever-changing stories that don't square with what we know is true. We mourn John, holding out hope for justice through the courts. So that's the O'Keefe family in their own words tonight. That SJC hearing here is scheduled for Wednesday morning. Live in Boston, Eli Rosenberg, NBC 10 Boston.